on, guys? Welcome to my first video on the Stock TLX channel. The boys out here. We are at Gears and Grinds Las Vegas. If you're a local here in Vegas, please check out this car meet. It's very, very good. Let's walk around and let's have a look at what we got over here so far. We got a super clean ZL one right here. This one's nice. And we got that. I actually don't know what that is. This thing is crazy. What? Listen to me. Sheesh. I actually can't name this car. Somebody tell me what this is.
It's called a Spiker.
Spiker. So we got a clean RS5 right here too. Very nice. You check out this Porsche. This thing is super clean. We got BBS's on here. Mids. Tan interior. I actually love these. People like to give the soft tops a made. So clean. We got a new Mustang. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this car. I actually love them.
Dude, this thing is so pretty.
Yeah, it's very pretty. The headlight design is so sick on this. It's clean. Fitted up very nicely.
Like, this is what you see. Like, that's good paint.
Oh yeah.
We were all like code.
This thing is hella low.
Tailgating here type shit.
Sheesh. That's nice. Beautiful Z06. Clean ass C6. We got the G82. G82 M4. Very nice. It's the C5. Very, very clean. Got a nice Evo unpolished RPF ones. A very nice Boss Mustang. They're very classic. Next to this beautiful Ferrari F8. Super clean. Right next to a beautiful blue facelifted GTR. Superman. That RB hidden. This beautiful Ferrari. BBS LMs. This thing is so clean. We got a ZR1 right next to it. Beautiful. Super clean. I absolutely love these cars. We got a brand new GT3 RS. SF90. Beautiful car. On the BBSs. We got a very clean Gallardo Performante. Super nice. This beautiful Ford GT in front of it. Insane, dude. You ever see these driving? So nice. Super clean McLaren 720 with this green paint. I want to do this on my car. Should I do this on my car? Only antlers on it? You happy for the holidays and shit? Look at this. Another GTR behind it. Oh, super clean. Check out this 488 P-Stud. Spec on this thing is so nice. The bronze wheels and the yellow calipers. Ferrari things, bro.
A little coffee.
Insane. Little engine bay action. Yeah, super clean. 850, I believe. I'm not sure. This thing is so nice. Very clean. Got another one right next to it. Very nice. Beautiful GT4 RS. Fully optioned. This one is super nice. Shark blue. Full wing. Super clean. With that beautiful GT3 engine in it. This thing is an absolute ripper. We got the white sock package with the bucket seats. Carbon hood. So nice. And then check this thing out. We got a Nismo GTR. My favorite thing about these cars, all the carbon up front. All the carbon. Then we got carbon side skirts from the factory. Then we got a big old carbon wing too. Then we got a big old diffuser. Super nice. I actually like these way more than the new ones though. Check this thing out. God damn, sheesh. Got double slicks.
I can't even wrap my hand around.
Check this thing out. This thing is a chunker. Wow. All the fast boys. Very clean. We rocking with the new M2 boys. This one's finished in red. It's not bad, but definitely needs some more. It needs some more love. Yeah. BBS is on the Bupra. We got another one. Fat ass tire. Single exit and everything. Very clean. Check this thing out.
Fast and Furious, right?
Literally so. Check this interior. Very clean. Super clean. An original Murcielago SV. Speechless. Peep the Dark Horse. I actually really love this paint. Paint is super nice. 600 LT is so nice. Got some wheels on it. Beautiful interior. Cover wing. Super nice. Peep this thing. Gated manual. Super nice. Super clear. Deep the interior. This one's really nice. No Vogue wheels. Yeah. Super clean. Crowd. Straight at her dome.
That crowd looks tasty. I'll have to take it.
Check this thing out. Here comes this beautiful red Murcielago SV. boy crazy. What the? Got a pack coming out right here.
Oh shit, what gotta happen right now?
This is wheel setup, guys. Yeesh. And that will conclude the first video on the channel, guys. Please drop a thumbs up down below if you want to see more car vlogs, more car activities out here in Vegas. And if you have any more meets or events out here, please let me know. It's very hard to find car stuff out here. And yeah, peace.